Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, national city, local, and long distance movers near me. Your cross country move will be stressful without a good long distance moving company. Our team of national movers will provide you with the necessary moving services to ensure you get there quickly and safely. We know how to move your belongings 100 miles or further and arrive on time. Whether you just need a loading, transportation, or unloading, or you need a full service moving option, we offer it all. Some of our additional services include packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. With a good California moving company, you'll gain plenty of benefits for your local move. Our team will help you get the most out of your move by saving you time and doing all of the heavy lifting for you. We provide full service moving or just loading, transit, and unloading. Either way, you gain a more efficient moving process. A moving company such as 3 Movers will streamline your move. Even if you're just going a few miles away, it's still a big job. Our team will help you get there faster. We move you in just one afternoon where it would take you all weekend. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our National City moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.